Welcome to MyNewBoat, an exclusive program of SaferBoater. My name is Andy Larson, and today I'm going to share with you a little bit about our voucher programs. So we have two types of vouchers. One is our gift voucher, and the other is the customer purchase program. So the gift voucher program is exactly like it sounds. You as a manufacturer or dealer can buy this outright and give it as a gift to a new boat owner. Or you can split it amongst each other, or even have the boat owner chip in. And basically what this is 4 people are allowed to attend a 4-hour training course called Boat Skill and Safety Training. So this is not the in-water demonstration that you as a dealership give to show the new bells and whistles of a boat. Rather, this is the first taste that this new boat owner will have of how to drive their boat, some safety considerations they need to know, and basically just give them that first time positive experience on the boat so that they want to get back out there and become a better boater. After this, they can actually arrange with the captain to take additional training, and if they need to have a license or certification, they can arrange that as well. So the customer purchase program, on the other hand, it's not a gift program. This is something that a customer will buy at the same time that they purchase the boat, and they can buy it outright, or we have a fantastic financing option available exclusively to SaferBoater in the MyNewBoat program. So depending on what state you live in, if they don't need boater education, then they can take our first option called the boat training voucher. And that is just simply 2 courses where they can have 4 people attend each of the courses, and they're going to teach them the basic boating and safety along with docking and boat handling. And this is a great option because say that they want to learn more, they can talk to the captain and add on additional courses at any time after that. If, on the other hand, your state does require some sort of boater education, then we have our certification training voucher. And what's great about this is it's good not only in your state, but all 50 states, because you will have 4 people who can attend each of the 4 courses involved. It meets all NASBA standards, and they become certified either through US Powerboating or the National Safe Boater Council. Also part of the customer purchase program are for our larger boats. So if you sell motor yachts, for example, if they want to take that boat internationally, they need something called an IPC, or International Proficiency Certificate. And in fact, not just internationally, nowadays it's very hard for boaters to get insurance, as you probably know. And this is much more powerful than just a captain's license, because it shows those insurance companies that you really know what you're doing. So when you buy a big boat like that, you don't have to hire a full-time captain, because with our course, it's 44 hours and up to 4 people can attend. And that is going to qualify them not only to drive their boat legally, but also to get insurance and use it in over 38 countries throughout the world. So talk to your SaferBoater representative today. Not only do we have fantastic sales incentives for both the dealership and your sales associate, but we can also train your in-house captains to make them certified SaferBoater captains as well. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and welcome to the team.